Thank you for choosing a CFS Brands Dynex TQ card. The following video is meant to keep you in the know and empower you with the info you need to operate and maintain one of the finest pieces of equipment on the market. As you get familiar with your cart, locate the identification plate. This will have a model and unique serial number used for service calls and part identification. So, what can you do today to reduce future maintenance? Well, here are a few tips. To keep your cart in pristine condition, use a pH-neutral soft drinking water with a temperature less than 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply food and hygiene-compatible cleaning products. Rinse the cart using non-ionic surfactants. And for your safety, always wear gloves and protective glasses when working on your cart. To keep your cart in the best condition, avoid using chlorinated products and solvents, abrasive powders, pads, and steel wool, steel or iron items, finishing products like wax and silicone. Don't spray products on equipment when cleaning floors. Cleaning is simple and straightforward. Use either sponges, soft nylon brushes, or 80 psi max pressure jets to remove dirt. When sanitizing, use the appropriate sanitizer for your facility. To dry, use squeegees or soft cloths. You have the option to manually or spray clean your cart. Follow the simple pre-clean, clean, sanitize, rinse, and dry process. Cleaning should be performed daily, along with thorough semi-annual cleanings as needed. Establishing a preventative maintenance routine is equally as important. You should be regularly checking for any loose fasteners and tighten as needed, the operation of your tray rack spring clips, and caster performance, applying glacier grease as needed. Semi-annually, be sure to keep an eye on your fasteners, brake locking, and overall operation. Now that you're in the know, enjoy your new cart and operating your business more efficiently. We value you as a customer. Our local sales representative is standing by to answer any additional questions and product needs. For more in-depth information on parts list, rack removal, warranty, and safety, please visit our website. CFS Brands, designing value, delivering success.